Welcome guys, today I am with the JBL Synchros E50BT and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your MacBook. So all you have to do, find the left ear headphone and click on this Bluetooth button once. It will start blinking on the red and the white for a few seconds. One more time. As you can see, it's blinking, so right now put them back. Open Bluetooth on your MacBook, enable by tapping on the switcher. Next you have to go for the Bluetooth preferences. As you can see, we can find our headset, so click Connect. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. The last thing, just go for the main settings and open sound settings, and just be sure that this internal speaker from the MacBook is successfully switched to our headset, and the same for the input if you want to use on the microphone. In my case, everything is fine. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.